Stop thinking failure is the end. It's actually just the beginning. Meet Leo, a young lion cub with a big dream, becoming a master hunter. But it wasn't easy. His first hunt? Total disaster. Leo pounced and missed by a mile, but Leo didn't give up. In each failure was a lesson. One time he tripped over his own paws, chasing a gazelle. Hilarious, right? But little by little, Leo got better. He learned the art of patience from his mum, the queen of stealth. He practiced his pounce, tweaking his technique day by day. Soon, Leo started to catch prey, small at first, then bigger. Every stumble, every miss was a step towards success. And guess what? Leo grew into a powerful hunter, feared and respected in the savannah. So next time you fail, remember Leo. Keep going, keep learning, because who knows? You could be just one step away from mastering your own jungle. Stay wild, my friends.